Hello, what's up guys, this is Kevin here, and today I'm going to address some few questions that I've been getting from last week about the bots that I'm giving you for free. Somebody was asking me about at what time is the best to trade. That's the question number one. So which bot is the best? That's question number two. And how much should I start with? Those are the three main questions that I've been getting a lot. So I'm going to address them from A to Z. First of all, the amount that you should start with. You can even start with $10. Okay? So, but you see, when you start with $10, you see the minimum stake for this bot or any other bot is 0.35. Okay, so let's take, for example, we're working on 0.35. That's the first thing, and let's do it. Now we're working on 0.35. You see the maximum accepted loss, this is $40. But if you have a less account like $10, it will be quite really hard to start your trades like this one. We have already lost 0.35 here, and then the martingale here, you can see the martingale down here, as you can see, it is 2, so it will actually do a martingale of 2 and then trade with this one, right? So let me also show you. So it is trading with the martingale of 2. So wherever you lose your account, then you trade this. But let's take, for example, you lose 3 times or 4 times in a row. Okay, so it will take you time to recover, or it will not recover all the martingale what you've lost. And you see the bot, if the bot can't buy any martingale that is above it, let's take this one. If I lose 0.35 here and then I buy 1.05, and if there is not that kind of money in my account, the bot won't run because it can't buy that kind of amount. Okay, so that's the question number one. So, and the question number two is, before we go to the question number two, so the best amount of money to start with is at least $30. Okay, to be in a good position, maybe $40, the way we started with the other bot. Okay, that account we started with $40 and we reached $100. Okay, so you see, if you're working with less or little amount on your account, let's say like $10, yes, you can start with. But you see, if the bot gets a lot of maybe this is good time to trade. But if the bot lost up to 5 times in a row, you see, you are going to lose your account, your money from your account, right? Because the bot cannot buy again. That is why it is good that you start with at least $40 in your account, or even less if $30. Okay, so that when the martingale does like this, then it will actually have a lot to buy from. Okay, have a lot of money to buy from your account. Okay, so you see, this is a win. Let it trade like this. So maybe what I can do, I can give it an announcement. Let's say under money, and then here when it closes, I'll give it like let's say error. Okay, so those are just sounds that I want it to have, but I want to show you how it does. Now you see, we lost that one, and this is another money that we lost here. Then it buys at $3. So you see, we lost the $3 with this bot. So it now buys at 9.45. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, it is now buying at 9.45. okay, I'm trading on my virtual account so that you can see what I mean. So you see, you've lost the fourth one, and then it buys now $28, right? So if you have $10 in your account, then when you lose 9.45 here, then the bot will not buy. Okay, so that's what is happening. Now you see, the bot now has bought at $28, and we got $27 in return, and we're still remaining at profitable at 8 wins and 8 losses. So that is what I'm trying to say here, guys. So that is why it is better, or it is good to have at least $40 in your account. The better, $50. Okay, so, and if you're starting to trade, don't trade like starting here with $1. Okay, your minimum stake here should not be $1, because you see, at $0.35 with the 4 losses, okay, it goes up to $28. Okay, so if you have $1 here, then this figure here will be even higher than this. It can be even $80, right? So that's why, if you are working on a small account, then I suggest that you start with 0.35 as your as your initial amount here. Okay, so as you can see, the bot has lost 4 times in a row, but still we are still profitable. Okay, so at 0.35 with 11 wins and 10 losses, we are at $18. So if you had more than this in your account, then you'll be having a profit of $18 plus. Okay, that's what I mean here. So anytime you want to trade, look at your account. Don't be so greedy in the market, okay, so that you start here with the $1 or $2 like other people, $10, right? I suggest that even your account is $100, always trade with $2 or less. Okay, so that's where you can grow your account very well. But if you use an initial amount, or the buying price here, you stake it at $2 or even $1 or even $10 here, then you're going to blow your account faster. Okay, so in this way, if you have a small account or small amount in your binary account, just use 0.35 to $2 maximum, so that you can, like yesterday on our real account, we traded with $2 and we reached our destination faster. But you don't have to trade like that to reach your destination faster, because in trying to reach your destination faster, then you're going to blow your account. I think that is how you should do it, guys. So as you can see here, with the 0.35, you are still going to reach your destination of $25 as an expected profit. Okay, and you make sure that if the bot loses more than 3 times, then you can still trade, because if the bot can't buy $28, then you can't trade, basically. Okay, so that is the first thing. And another thing, one of you guys was asking me the best time to trade. Okay, most of you guys have asked me about the best time to trade. Mostly what I normally do, I normally start my trades from 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. onwards, but that is not, I can't say that is the best time, because these are times to test. Okay, with deriv.com or even binary.com, you have to test your trades. Okay, what I normally do, I test trades even at 12 p.m. Okay, so when you test your trades even at 12 p.m. and then you find that the bot is profitable like this, it is not losing more than 4 times, like this time is the best time to trade, and it's now getting to 10 p.m. right? So I've just paused my the challenge that we are going with, which is $40 to $100, to $1,000, because of these small hiccups that we are getting through. We are getting on along the way. So make sure that when we'll start trading on our live account at $10 to $1,000, then these are the things that you should also have in mind while trading. So if your trade is, you have less account, or no money or less money in your account, you don't have to be greedy. Okay, just start with 0.35 here. You see, whether you start with the 0.35 or not, then you're still getting to your destination, right? As you can see. But what you'll do, you'll have more trades than me if I start at $2. That's what I wanted to shed here. And the best time is when, if you want to know the best time to trade, you don't have to trade any single day. Okay, just test the market. If the market is not conducive for trade, just quit the market, do any other thing. Like as you can see, we have now our profit, right? Okay, so we have our profit. Now I'll just stop this. We now have our profit at $25, trading at 0.35, and having at least how much was it? At least $28 in our account. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say here, guys. So wherever you're trading, don't be greedy. Start small, grow your account small by small, and then it will reach a bigger account. But be cautious whenever you're trading. Don't start your trading immediately on your real account. Always start with your demo account to see how the market is working, and then you can trade on your real account. Okay, so if you don't have money on your demo account, you can just reset it and it will come to $10,000, and you can also trade with it each and every single time before you embark on your real trade. So we have tackled the timings, the best time to trade. We have seen that the best time to trade is anytime. You can trade anytime, and the best time to trade, you can say that there is a best time to trade. You can trade anytime. The best time to trade is when you go to your virtual account and trade like this, and you don't get more losses. You see, like in this account, I have 4 losses. Okay, only 4 losses, but at times you can see that the loss goes up to even 7 losses. That is not a good time to trade. So always, and I repeat, always test your trades. Test on your trades on your virtual account before embarking on your real account. So what we have tackled today is the best amount to start with binary trading is at least $40. Okay, $30 is not bad, but $40 is the and only do that after testing the market. Next thing, it is advisable that you don't stay on the market for long. I know, see, maybe some of you guys, if you see something like this, you're earning and you're earning, you just go on, and then you blow up your account. You should not do that, okay? So never ever do that. So you just test your trades like this one. I have made like $25, and now sometimes you see this, the person becomes greedy and goes to $100 at 3.5. I just want to show you how this is not good. I'm just going to show you in this trade. Let's do this. Now we have set our expected profit at 100. Okay, I'm going to show you how this may be detrimental to your account. Okay, because you've set expected profit as high. The good thing is you set your expected profit at, let's say you want to make like $100. Don't put your expected profit at $100. Just cut it or divide it down in chunks. Because if you divide it down in chunks, then it is manageable. Okay, so let's say we did our first $25, right? So let's see what is going to happen here. You see, we're now on a losing streak, as you can see. You see, we are now losing it. This is a long streak. And sometimes when you reach your expected profit at $25, just go away for another even 30 minutes, like you can see here. Maximum accepted loss reached. Okay, so you see we have reached our maximum accepted loss. Okay, now you see, maybe this one we can also lose. You see, so just wait for it. Oh, we've gotten this. Yes, what I was saying, as you can see here, we started at let's say you had less than $100 in this account. So you see, you'll have blown your account. You'll now be having zero. Okay, so as you can see, after reaching your expected profit, what I suggest, go away from the market and then return after 15 to 2 hours. Okay, in between 15 minutes to 2 hours, and test again the market. Don't just do the market, try to trade on the market for more than 15 minutes. You see, what I can explain here is deriv.com normally gets their money after resetting their system. Okay, and sometimes when they reset their system, and maybe you'll not get this at deriv.com, maybe on binary.com you'll find such like updates that are going on. Okay, so they normally update their systems because you see, if the system runs like that, they'll be losing money. Okay, this is also business. So okay, so they'll be losing money. So they normally reset their systems after some hours. Okay, and when they do that, you'll find that you will be losing some money. Okay, and whenever you lose money like this, they're also profiting. So that is why it is not advisable to stay on the market for more than 30 minutes. Okay, If you stay on the market for more than 30 minutes and they're doing some their updates or they're resetting their systems, you may end up losing your money. Okay, and your money, your count will reduce to zero. So okay, that is what I'm trying to say here. So let's take, for example, I have $40 in my account and I want to trade with the $2. Okay, unless the market is good, that's why you can trade with these $2 on a $40 account. So I've set my maximum accepted loss at $40. So let's run this bot and you see what happens. So that's the first loss. You see, the Martingale now goes at $6. And let's say you have like only $40 in your account. That is lost. It will now buy $18. Okay. Oh, this one has bought, okay, at 17. But if you could have lost this, then it will buy more than this. And if you are, which will be even more than $40, then you will be losing your account. So mostly, if you have a small account, start small, at 0.35 as initial amount. Okay. So, and mostly test the market. If you see that you are losing 2 and getting 1 here and losing 2 again, like in this place, in this case here, then maybe we lose this or we get this, we profit on this, then you should not trade. It's not a must that you trade, okay? Because don't put a trading as a must, okay? Like today, we were to trade and continue with our journey from $40 to $1,000. But as you can see here, this is not a good trade. This is not the best time to trade. Okay? This is not the best time to trade. Now you'll see that I'm losing 2, I'm getting 1. Then I'm losing 3, I'm getting 1. And maybe here I can lose another 2 or even get 2. You see, I'm just going to show you when to trade and when not to trade. Like here, I've lost this. It is better that I'm showing you these things because if I don't show you, then you'll be losing your amount or you'll be losing your account, and it's not good to lose your account. You may say the bot is not good for me, but it's just the strategy. You don't know the strategy to trade with the bot. Mostly know the strategies that you're trading before embarking on anything. Okay, so we had done our expected profit at $100. As you can see, if it could be $25, we could have already done our profit. But look, if you put here as $100 or your expected profit, then it will take the bot time to reach that. And when it takes a lot of time to reach that, it then loses on the way. Okay, you'll be losing more on your way to that amount. I'm just going to show you how many losses we'll go through before reaching $100. You see, those are many losses here. Those are many losses in order to reach our target profit. You see, we are at $50. There's another loss. So, and whatever you're trading, so a day like this is not good for trades because you're losing more. You see, we have 11 losses against 7 wins, even if the wins are being taken care of the martingale, but we have more losses than the wins. So that's not the best time to trade. So you only trade at your own risk. Never ever trade at that. And today, you see, our martingale was 2 and the last was at 54. That's the highest buy price. You see, so if your count was less than 55, you'll have lost your position here. Okay, you'll have lost everything there. As you can see, now this is not the best time to trade. So whenever you see something like this, even if the bot is profitable but the market is not good, don't trade. You see, like today, if we could have continued with this day, we could have lost all our money in our real account. So that's why we are not trading today. So I'm showing you the way you should trade, the way you should not trade. It is not a must for you to trade, because if you put it as a must, then you're going to lose all your position, all your money from your account. So don't make each and every trade is a trading day. Sometimes just test the market. If the market is not conducive for you, walk away until the next time or even the next day. So those are the things that you should do before you start any trade. Okay, so as you can see, if you put your expected profit at $100, maybe this was your profit for the day, and then you get it at $100, then you see, and you don't have that kind of money in your account, then you're going to lose all your money from your account. Okay, just do it in chunks. If it's $100, you can put expected profit at $10 or $25, $50 maximum, and then trade with that. And after reaching that, then walk away and test the market again later on, not the same time. You see, it is taking us long to reach our target. It is taking us long to reach our $100 target. And also, see, it has taken us more than, what time was this? 22:06. Sorry, reset this. 22:06 to 22:14. That's like 8 minutes to get to this, and the market was also not good. Today the market is not good. As you can see, we have more losses, 1 win, 2 losses, 1 win. That's not the best time to trade. Okay, I hope you understand everything that we have said in this video. First of all, test the market first before going to your real account. If the market is good, or if you have more wins than losses here, then trade. If not, don't trade. Secondly, if you start with a less amount of money in your account, blowing it can be faster. So it's better to start with at least $50 or $40 on your account. And the third thing is, do your minimum stake. Don't do $2 if you have less money in your account, and or if you have $40, then do 0.35, like as I've shown you in the last trades. So that is the video for today, or the tutorials for today. So you just follow it again, do it again, just watch it again also before you do any trades, and make sure that you don't blow up your account, because if you blow up your account, you will give up on the trades. And I'm telling you that if you give up, then giving up is like, okay, it's not good for your health. That's what I can say. For if you discipline yourself according to what we discussed in this video, then you will be profitable with deriv.com or binary.com. See you in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell, because in this channel I'm showing you step by step on how you can be profitable on binary.com. See you in the next video.